Alright, listen up. Volcanoes are like Earth's drama queens. Deep down, magma forms from all that heat and pressure. Think of it as Earth's spicy hot sauce bubbling up. As this magma rises, cause it's lighter than the rock around it, gases inside start to puff up like a blowfish on a caffeine buzz. When the pressure hits max, bam, it breaks through the surface with an eruption that's part lava party, part rock and ash confetti. Now eruptions can be chill and slow, like low-key lava ooze, or full-on explosive, just like me when you mess with my snacks. That's Earth showing off its wild side. Subscribe if you want to keep riding this eruption express.